welcome to my video on YouTube to show you how to do computer stuff. And this one, now that you completed backing up the files, and if you want to do more, you can do the same thing. Now I'm gonna show you how to connect to the internet on your PS3. Um, so you go here. This is your you go in here. You go in settings, and then you go to your network settings, and the settings for the internet, as you can see, is Verizon is on it. So which I can't use in it right now because I'm out of data. So, but if we go to our internet connection test, which is right here, you can connect to a Wi-Fi network, which um, I recommend use TWC. I have Wi-Fi, but it's Dish, and Dish doesn't allow certain devices to connect to the network because it involves legacy issues. Like for some PS3 or Xbox, um, live internet won't let me go into the internet using Dish because Dish doesn't support the PlayStation network due to legacy issues. So I think legacy issues what Dish meant. I think is when you log into UPlay or UPlay, Ubisoft Play network. When you log into the Ubisoft network, maybe that's a legacy issue. Maybe some other issues with EA games when you log into the when you create an EA account. That's a legacy issues. Maybe I don't know, but the recommend service that you use to connect to the internet is Time Warner Cable. Time Warner Cable is called Spectrum, so it's not actually Oceanic now, and it's what's it called Spectrum TV network, which can do. They have fast fiber internet, Wi-Fi, voice command, and everything. So it's like voice command is like with the Time Warner Cable remote, you can use a voice command and say whatever channels you want to go on, like your smartphone. So to connect to the internet with your PS3, first you want to do um. So if you don't have Oceanic, um, since I have Wi-Fi, but Dish won't allow to connect to services to like either PlayStation Network or Xbox Live due to legacy issues. That's what I've heard on the text that I got on my mom's phone, and so to connect to the internet, basically, if you look in your cell phone settings, I recommend that you use if you don't have any Wi-Fi or home internet or using internet through the phone, you can use your cellular mobile data and connect to the internet. So it's like you go in here. I'm gonna bring out the thing when I'm recording. So, but anyway, um, if you go into your phone's uh settings here, um, if you go into if you go in apps, my Verizon is your mobile hotspot. And what this does, you connect into five devices. You can manage your device. You click mobile hotspot. So that means your Wi-Fi is currently active. So to use the hotspot, you disable your Wi-Fi and use your mobile data connection. So you hit OK. So data connection is not available. So you might have to contact your cellular network and to connect to the internet. So I have Dish, but I can't. Like I've just said earlier, I cannot connect with Dish because I just heard on my mom's phone due to legacy issues. I don't know what legacy issues they are, but if you can look it up on the dish.com, they can tell you what kind of legacy issues they might have. So, but anyway, I'm here to show you, right? So, we're here to learn computer stuff, right? So, anyway, first you hit your internet connection test, and that once that showed up, it won't connect to Verizon, so you might want to get out of there. Go into your media service enabled. So you go to your settings. Um, like if you have a wired connection or an Ethernet cable will be your telephone line. So if you connect your PS3 to a telephone, which will be a lot slower, and DSL, it won't be as fast. So I recommend if you're using the PS3 or Xbox 360 or the Wii or the Wii U or the Xbox One, I recommend that you go with Oceanic because Oceanic is the preferred network for these game consoles. So you hit OK, then you can go to Easy Connection or Custom. So you can select a method here, and it's going to customize method, and go to wireless because or the wired connection. But the wired connection means you can connect to a telephone line, which the PS3 is built in with a telephone line. And with the telephone line, you will have to, if you connect the PS3 to the telephone, it has to be the main telephone line. So as you look at the plug over there, it has two sockets, two telephone sockets. One is the modem, one is the telephone. So you enter the telephone, and then you have to connect to the internet using the PS3. You dial connection password, or you can use your phone number, or um just remember when somebody calls you, it will disconnect the service. So I recommend you hit wireless so you can enter manually, but it's going to take you a long time. So you can automatic set an access point when using that supports with the wireless LAN automatic with the wireless LAN adapter setup. So this will appear on your stuff, and it takes 2 minutes. So it will work that way. So it won't work like that. So we hit scan, you'll scan the service. So you have D-Link, you have Linkski, um, TG1672G12. I think that's the connection from what we have with Oceanic. I'm not pretty sure, but um, that was the password from when the time we had Oceanic because you have a telephone line. So this one is key 0906 whatever. I think that's somebody else. So like I just said, if you connect with Dish, I'm just gonna warn you this last time. Dish has a legacy issue with the PS3 and the Xbox and the Wii and the Wii U. Why? Because there are services that is not verified maybe with Dish, and services like Uplay, EA Games. If you log into the EA network, that might be a legacy issue. I don't know, but if you can read about it. So anyway, to connect to the internet, use here, and you go to the that's the name LAN we WLAN adaptive security setting. Yes, you need this security. What these mean is to for one of these connections mean is that when people connect into your network, they can hack in. So there are a lot of computer hackers out there, so you want to be careful. And then after you set that, you enter the passphrase key, and that comes with your service. And to do that, you look on your computer here, and if you can log in with your Google account, um, sorry, hold on here. So you hit first, you log into your device. Bullet, 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 bullet. Hold on here. Bullet, 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 bullet. I know it's like my pastor says, I'm anointed by technology, and that's true. I gotta get off it sometimes. Bullet, bullet. But it's hard, you know? It's like drinking coffee. So, okay, we're not here to log into the internet here. I'm just doing a tutorial, so hold on. Um, so we go in the notes here. This is your app, Google Notes. And then, uh, let me see if I have it here. Hang on. So, let me go down. You can look for the password. Hold on a minute. Can't see. So, I know I have it here. Hold on. So, hang on, YouTube lovers out there. Okay. So, where did it go here? I know it's here. Hang on. Hmm. Okay, here's the code. Bunch of other codes here too. So this is the code right here to connect to your Wi-Fi. So it will come with your service, and you entered in on your gaming console, which is right here. So I won't put it in because I just said before about that legacy issue, and that's what Dish has. But if you go with Oceanic Time Warner Cable. It's best that you use their network to connect to the PS3 network and the Xbox Live network because it's much safer and you won't get legacy issues and no data gaps. Um, so you enter the password that comes with your Wi-Fi and you log it into the PS3 and you will be connected. So yeah, and that's how you connect to the internet by using your gaming console. And for any more my recordings, you want to listen to it, you can go on YouTube and watch my videos. And um, this YouTube is brought to you by the this video recording is brought to you by the team of Audacity, where you can record yourself. Um, with Audacity, you can mix your own music, copy and paste, make it longer, and to watch any of my videos, you can log into YouTube. So thanks for watching and enjoy the video, and I will upload it whenever I can. Bye.